It's brown out. Brown out! Okay, ang bagal naman mag-on yung generator nila. Oh, brown out. Because there's a thunderstorm there. Alright. Let's go down. Whoa! Brown out! Ano naman? Exercise to start the day. Haven't done this for a long time, so just a little small exercise. Nice exercise, guys. Nice day, nice morning. So after this we'll do some work, then in the evening the family will go watch a movie. We'll watch Deadpool, so that would be interesting. So see you guys later.
Six hours later.
Oh, mamaya kakain naman tayo.
Gago, gusto ko na yan!
Hindi, dinner tayo.
Dinner tayo eh.
Let's go na. bad news. Deadpool is R16, so we will not be able to watch the movie.
Hindi na talaga
Sayang.
pwede.
R16 eh. Here is the cinema.
Mamaya oh.
But unfortunately, see, Deadpool R16. Sorry,
I don't care.
Kuya.
I watched it already, so I don't care.
R16.
Kasi ako tignan mo, oh.
Eventually.
Okay guys, since we cannot watch Deadpool, we will just have dinner. Right, let's do this. It's brown out. Brown out! Okay, ang bagal naman mag-on yung generator nila. Oh, brown out. Because there's a thunderstorm there. Alright. Let's go down. Whoa! Brown out! Come on! Okay, be careful. Okay. Power. There's power. Oh, again! What the? 3 times? Oops! There. O baka mawala na naman yan. Mababa na tayo. Okay, got that in video. Okay, let's go down and find. Whoa! 4 times. 4 times. Bakit gumagana yung escalator? Okay guys, this is really messed up. First, we can't watch Deadpool. Now it's brown out here inside the mall. Anyways, let's wait for the power.
Several bad puns later.
Oops! Meron na! Okay, I think we found where we are going to have our dinner.
Yeah, we are in the place of
Okay, 5th time. No power again, guys. There's power again. Okay guys, we are done. Although we were not able to watch Deadpool, we had a good dinner and with a little bit of drama because of the brownout. But still good. As usual guys, thank you for watching my vlogs and see you in the next one. Peace.